Hello and welcome to the second video of site-to-site tunneling. This is Adel, and in this video we are going to talk about backbone infrastructure. As we described in the last video, we have a backbone infrastructure which acts like internet, and it creates connectivity between each site. Okay. In this video, we are going to configure each of these routers and create connectivity between all of these points. Okay, let's begin. For the start, we are going to configure EIGRP routing protocol on the backbone infrastructure. So, after assigning IP address on each router, we configure EIGRP routing protocol and try to converge the network together. Okay, let's start with a notepad. For start with router number 1, enable conft hostname R1, interface gigabit ethernet 0/0, no shutdown, IP ADDR 172.16.12.1, 255, 255, 255 and 252. Okay, let's copy this and config other interfaces. Interface gigabit ethernet 0/1. The IP should be 172.16.30.1 and no shot 0/2. The IP is 172.16.14.1 and 172.16. Sorry, this IP is different. 10.10.15.1. Okay. As you know, we are going to config EIGRP. So router EIGRP backbone. We name it backbone, and address family IPv4 IPv4 unicast and autonomous system 1. Using this command, we create a AS number 1, which is going to be this backbone, and we use IPv4. Okay, let's define the networks. Network 172.16.12.1 0.0.0.0. Network 172.16.13.1 0.0.0, and network 172.16.14.1, and this network, the last network, 10.10.15.1 0.0.0.0.0. Okay. Okay, the routing protocol defined, the address family defined, the network has been defined, and we need to specify for the security uh, uh, for the security of the EIGRP, we need to define passive interface. Address family dash interface gigabit Ethernet 0/3 and passive dash interface. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now let's talk about this configuration that we are set for EIGRP routing protocol and clear things a little bit more. Consider yourself as an administrator of the backbone infrastructure. As an admin, you can only trust, this router, this router, this router, and this router. And you can redistribute this network on your EIGRP environment. Because you don't trust the administrator of this network, this network, and this network, and this network, and this network. You don't allow create a neighborhood relationship on these links. Okay, because of that, we pick these interfaces as a passive, which is not allow create EIGRP neighborhood on these links. So uh, we pick a name for EIGRP, which is backbone. We choose IPv4, send unicast instead of multicast. Oh, there is a typo here. Auto. Okay. We need to create an autonomous system here. This is autonomous system number 1. And this is the network for each router that should be redistributed on the EIGRP routing protocol. Okay. Let's clear the screen and copy this configuration and check and copy it on router number 1. Right click. Okay, good enough. And that's it. Let's go and Control C. We name it router number 2, and router number 2 is here. It has 4 interfaces. Gigabit Ethernet 0/0 is 172.16.12.2. Okay, 172.16.13, 13, and router 2. Oh, there is no 13. 23. Sorry, 23 and 1. Gigabit Ethernet 0/2 is 172.16.24.1. So 24.1, and Gigabit Ethernet 0/3 is 10.10.26.1. Okay, let's copy these networks here. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, and Control C, Control V. Okay, Gigabit Ethernet 3 is passive. Okay, so copy this and connect to router number 2. Right click is okay, and that's it. Let's go to Notepad again and copy this. It will be router number 3. Router number 3 is this router. Okay, gigabit ethernet 0 slash name is router 3. 0 slash 0 is 13 2. 13 2. 0 slash 1 is 172.16.23, also 2. 0 slash 2 172.00. There is 2 passive interface. 10.10.38.1. 38, sorry, dot 1 and 10.10.39.1. So let's go and copy this. Control C, Control C, Control V. Okay. Now we should pick AF interface gigabit ethernet 0 slash 2. We have 2 passive interface here. Okay, let's copy this and connect to router number 3 and okay, that's good enough. Okay, let's go to router number 4, the last one. Again, copy this here and Control E, router number 4, router number 4. Router number 4 has 3 interfaces, so content 0 slash 3 not exist here. 0 slash 0 is 172.16.14.2. 14.2. 0 slash 1 172.16.24, also 2, and 10.10.47 1. Let's delete this line. Okay, copy this. Sorry, I copy everything, but I don't think there is a need of type everything. You have to learn copy and paste almost everything unless you need to learn something. Okay, copy this and connect to router number 4 and right click, done. And okay, that's it. Now show IP interface brief. Let's verify what we have here. We have 3 interface 10.172.16.14.2, 24.2, 14.2, 24.2, and 10.10.47.1. Okay. Show IP route. As you can see, we have a EIGRP routing here and the route with D tag added to routing table. For example, it can access to 10.10.15.0 using 172.16.14.1. This router can reach here using this link, which is kind of right. So let's go back to router number 3. Let's verify here. Show. Let's ping that destination and confirm that. Ping is reachable. Okay. If check the router number 3, show IP interface brief, the IP set on the interface. Okay. Okay. Let's go to router number 1. Oh, router number 1 has an error. It says neighbor is blocked because of subnet. Show IP interface brief. Oh, probably there is a misconfiguration on router 1. Yeah, gigabit ethernet 0/0 has the wrong IP address. Okay, let's oh, this is the wrong part. Let's copy this again, and wow, okay. We have a mistype here. Now we need to wait some time to look up the comment. Okay, translating, and okay, we wait because the interface, the command number 3 was also interface gigabit ethernet 0/0. The IP replaced it with this interface. Okay, now copy this again and right click. Oh, conf t, right click, and done. And now the neighborhood, new adjacency. Okay, the neighborship is going okay, and there is another router. Show IP interface brief. Okay, this is going to be okay. Now we config these routers, and the routing protocol is up and running. In the next video, we're going to talk about tunneling between HQ and branch number 1, also branch number 2. Now that we configure backbone infrastructure, now we have connectivity between each part of the organization. So in the next video, we are going to configure GRE tunneling between this router and this router, also this router and this router. I hope it's been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.